think it's frozen. Deep boy fresh with it on, know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma lock out. Don't care what someone come on throw my heart like it's frozen.
Head mount supposed to be good, hopefully. Me not check it like you don't normally check it. Alright, so Sport Plus. ESC completely off. DSC completely off.
Completely off.
Yeah. Alright, wipers on. Now the script, right?
No.
Are we driving windows down or up? Alright, bet. Manual. Should not have no behavior. No behavior this car don't have. Especially in this weather, this car has no behavior. Let me wait on cue so he can catch it on his camera if he's filming. Thumbs up. I hope he's videoing. Hold on, we don't want to near get too wet. We don't want to near get wet.
No.
She has no behavior, bro. No. She wild.
Yo, this was sliding like an M.
She has no behavior, bro. Coming from work.
Yo, bro, he was sliding like an M. Exactly. Yo.
I mean, it says M1 right here, ain't it? She got no behavior. Boy, what do we do? She got no behavior, for you should teach her some manners. Yo, she got no behavior, for real.
No behavior.
And then she feel like she going grip on, and she's like, whoop. Then she's like, no, I'm just joking. No grip on here.
For real. Gosh. Yo. Spin into what? 100?
Imagine how that shit look for Q video, dog.
Yo, just sliding.
Guys, I hope the camera is fixed.
You're going straight, but going sideways.
No.
Yo, fighting for
And luckily it's raining, so we're not using up the tires. You see what I'm saying?
Facts.
Because I'm actually checking if the camera record, right? God, this shit lit. This shit actually funny, yo. This shit is super fun.
Yo, what? Soon I'm gonna get like that. Right now it's just a little corner here and there, but soon we're gonna do this.
Yep, my boy Vaughn gonna get it. He
Soon.
just gotta learn it. He just got the chassis. He's not used to the M chassis. He gotta get used to it first.
Yeah, so it's just a couple sideways turns here and there, but what? Soon, take every corner.
Sideways. Trouble. Yo. For real, bro, this shit nice. What the hell? From the first time I drove this, go watch that video. It's on his channel and mine. Go watch about that video. I liked it. From the first time in the dry. Now it's wet.
That's without the
it got a downpipe now. It sounds sick as frig.
So watch when we get the tone too. That's gonna be way crazy.
It's gonna be even more crazy. And then if you know what to do, it doesn't have to spin.
Yeah.
This car is sick. I'm gonna left Q. Bro, this car is fun.
Q thought we was gonna get some rollers. Not today.
Not yet, my boy.
Not yet.
Not yet, my boy.
Need some content.
Need some content. Oh, the pops them. You know, there's a supercar place over here.
What's
Lambos and all type of shit they work on. They work on.
M-Tech.
No, right here. Is that M-Tech?
M-Tech, yeah, that's the one who Q gonna get dyno by.
Is that M-Tech right there?
Around the corner?
No, right there. There's the place there right there, so.
Oh, I don't know.
Damn, boy. Yo, bro, this car amazes me every single time. Every single time. There's not one time that this car don't amaze me, bro. Yeah. Literally, not once. Like, what? Every single time, dog? Like, no. You know, normally, when you first time driving a certain car, like a new car to you, it impresses you, isn't it?
Yeah.
But when you drive the second time, you're supposed to get used to it.
Yeah.
But every single time, dog.
You got tricks. You got tricks.
Tricks, bro. Every single time this car's like, oh yeah, I can do this too. Oh yeah, you want me to do this? I'll do that. You know what I mean? Like that shit did not grip until me ease off.
That's crazy.
From one light to the next.
That was crazy.
Look,
It was literally spinning.
over here. They got a McLaren over there right now. Ferrari R8. They normally have a crazy wide body Urus. They normally have a crazy wide body Urus over there, bro. Like a red one, carbon everywhere. That shit look sick. The pump stand cut, dog. See him there? Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, did you catch it on camera? You got it on camera? Him said no.
No?
Bro, I was about to record and I seen you going like this the whole time. I'm like,
Are you didn't record?
I
Man,
think I was, bro. I didn't put the fuck.
Suck, bro. Oh my
You didn't
God.
record that?
Do it again.
Yeah, but that's scam.
That's
No, bro.
Huh?
Not anything.
Run left here, you know. You don't know about this, no? You know about that? What you know about that? What you know about that? Me hear it now? Me hear it now? Bum boy, he come on. Horsepower.
Like 550, 520.
Your boy up there. That shit looks sick. Yes, Q, you did a good job. Ready for the rap now. Okay. You're the turbos, bro? I'm sure it does. Watch him, dog, slide the Alfa Romeo. Yeah. Alright, let's pass everybody. Everything about Bima, them nimble. Everything about Bima, them nimble. Take it to the corner, them dog. Take it through the corner, them.
He said, take it to the corner.
Why not? He wants step out that end right there, you know? She wants step out to the
Live in the potholes. I want to spin out.
But we got her. Don't try what you see on camera, people. It's fake, okay? Remember, we can't drive. Oh, it's a cute there. You probably have some of them gone.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, Q a horrible chase car. He's supposed to be getting all the action.
Cute
to the
cat.
Yo, Q got money.
Chase my backside.
Yo,
You see what grand name called a while ago?
yo.
I said step out.
Every time Robert drive my car, I'm surprised, bro. Yo, never know it can do that.
Yo. Yo, guys, go check out my boy Von Hilton if you want to see more content with the Beamer, man. I love this car. Go check out my boy Von Hilton if you want to see more content with the Beamer. You have the key? There it is, man. 340. Shit ain't even breathing after that. The Hellcat would have been so hot. But just coming from work, them boys picked me up in my shirt and tie. You know I got no car. But yeah, it's them my boys. Come in, Q. Come in, Q. Give us something. Give us something. Give us something. But yeah, go check out my boy Von Hilton. That's his 340. That's my boy Fast Life Friends. Check them out, man. Camera is out. Oh.